Shenzhen Li Lu Tong Connector Corporation Limited, established in 2014, is a global, large-scale production enterprise located in Longgang District, Shenzhen City, with convenient transportation access. We are specializing in the production of precision outdoor waterproof connector, aviation plug, wire, and molded cable connector. We have researched and developed these products more than 20 series, 5,000 varieties. These products have been widely sold to many countries and regions in the world, which is mainly used for outdoor lighting, automation machinery, new energy vehicles, charging equipment, electricity generation facility, and other industries. We also can produce OEM, ODM, and customized related waterproof products. Our all products have owned American UL, Canada UL, German TUV, Europe CE, ROS, China 3C, CQC certification, and held a number of design patent. Our company has production workshop with area of 4,000 square meters, more than 300 employees, 30 international advanced production lines, tens of precision testing equipments, and have constructed a specialized laboratory for product research and development. The excellent appearance, designing reliable quality, good service, and rapid technical supporting help us win a large number of customers in China and overseas market. LLT Company has now become the leading technology and scale enterprise in connector field. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.